Look. Welcome back, man. It's Mr. 300, man. We're gonna get right into it, man. If you got a Chrysler 300, 2009, man, if your windshield wiper nozzle, if your nozzle is broke, this piece right here, this basically connects the car to the, the sprayer, so you can, do the little, windshield wiper joints. I don't know, can't do it. Yeah, like, the little windshield wiper joints or whatever. On my car, it broke. This piece broke completely off, as you can see. Like, this is not connected to the nozzle, so no liquid comes out. So instead of going to the dealership or going to the shop to have this done, I'm going to do it myself. It seems like it's a very, 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 very easy job. And the part actually that I got is it was only like $9 on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description down below. But pretty much all you got to do is buy it and connect it, replace these or whatever. You got these different, hold on, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. These nozzles, once I open them up, but they're inside here, as you can see. But you basically pretty much just connect these to the hood of the car, as you can see where those are at, and you just kind of like snap them down and they just lift right up or whatever. But I'm gonna call right now the dealership to see how much it would cost if I were to take it in, because the part only costs $8 and it's probably gonna take me 10 minutes to do. So I just want to see, I'm just curious, so we're gonna see what the dealer do, man, if they try to rip me off or not. Let's see.
Thank you for calling. For quality of service, this call may be recorded.
Hi, can I have the service department?
Just a moment.
Thank you.
Number 215 service, this is Linda. How can I help you?
Hi, I just want to see how much it would be to replace the sprayers on my 2009 Chrysler 300. It seems like the hose is bad and they're just not, no liquid is coming out.
Okay, let me see if I can get an advisor on the line for you. Hold on.
All right, thank you. I'm calling the dealership right now. I usually don't have a juice like that. I usually don't have a juice like that to call a dealership, man, and get them done. But I just want to see what they say, so we're going to do it. Hopefully it's not crazy expensive. If so, I might do it. I don't know. I already bought the piece, but if it's crazy cheap, might as well have the dealership do it, right? But I don't believe that's going to happen. I think it's going to be crazy expensive, but we're going to see.
Desert 215, can I help you?
Hi, I just want to know the price of replacing the sprayer nozzle on a 2009 Chrysler 300, just like the windshield sprayer.
To replace the front ones?
Yeah, the front ones.
What kind of car is it, sir?
2009 Chrysler 300.
Alright, so you're looking probably around 165 on labor parts. I can get you to the parts department. They can let you know what it costs for the nozzle themselves.
Oh, okay, appreciate it. Yeah, about 165. Okay, and how much is that? Like an hour? How long does it? It's like an hour labor, 2 hours.
Sir, yes.
Okay, cool. Oh yeah, the parts department, please.
Just a minute.
All right, thank you. Hey, I just wanted to check the price of a part. The hose and the windshield sprayer. Mine just cracked off and the hose is all messed up.
Yeah, what year, make, and model?
2009 Chrysler 300, 2.7. The slow one. He didn't really laugh, but it's all good. He tried to give me something at the end, but he didn't really give it to me.
I got an order. It runs $45.79.
Okay, is that the hose and the sprayers? The nozzle?
No, the sprayers are separate. Those things are $45 a piece.
The actual, just the two, the pair for the just for the windshield?
Yeah, each one.
Oh, each one is 45. So that's 90, and then another 45.
Yeah.
So 135 for the parts. And how long does it take to come in?
Yep. The little tube I got to order, it takes one day.
I'm not getting that. I'm just trying to not look cheap.
And then the sprayers.
Hell no, I ain't paying that. $135, I got it for $8. Everything right now. Next day, Amazon. Okay, cool. All right, appreciate it, man. I'll call back.
No worries.
All right, thanks. Bye. I ain't got the juice like that. $135 just for parts and another $165 for labor. We talking about $300. Man, let's get to this work, man. I got this work. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, so these are the parts the kit came with, man. Like I said, it was only $8. $8. It come with a whole new cord. You probably got to cut it because I know it's 2 sections of it. Oh, no, it's already cut. It's already... Oh, no, it's not. It's just one long cord. So you probably already got to cut it to, you know, fit, you know, because there's like a little place where you got to connect it at the end or whatever. But hopefully I don't got to use that. It come with these little clips right here, the actual connectors, so the liquid passes through even though you slice them at the end. And these are the nozzles. Hopefully I just got to use these nozzles and I can just use this existing cord, but I don't know if they're going to fit. You know, so I'm gonna try that right now. I'm gonna try to take away this little black piece that's broke off on each side. Let me try on this one because this one probably has a little bit thicker. Pause. Yeah, so it's like, oh, that's not focusing, man. But anyway, I'm just gonna try to remove this little, you know, the little broken piece right here and just be able to see if I can just slip these on the current little connection that I have, because I know this works with the hose that's already connected down the side of the actual windshield. So, or not the hood, I'm tripping. So I'm gonna see what happens, man. If not, I'm just gonna have to like rewire the whole thing or whatever, use this old hose, or at least try to cut it or whatever, make it the same size. But we're gonna see. Hopefully I can do the little cheap way, because I'm you know, trying to do it the lazy and the quick way, man. It's just like I said, windshield wiper for a little old car. So, right, so this is like the little piece that was at the end of this that was broke. I just slipped it out, and this big one, the whole complete piece, is the actual new one. So as you guys can see, they're similar in size, but I won't really know until I try to connect this piece like so. So I'm gonna try to do that right now, and I'll let you guys know if it works or not, man. So you know if this kit is, you know, you can go the cheap route, the quick route, the easy route, or, you know, you got to see what your other options are, man. And like I said, I'm just trying to do everything, man, as cheap as possible, because I don't got the juice like that, man, to go to the dealership yet. Hopefully, man, you know, I keep pumping out the little Chrysler, you know, content, and man, somebody get, you know, get wind of it, man, get some recognition. But anyway, man, comment down below, man, subscribe for sure, man. If you got a Chrysler 300, man, I got a whole bunch of other stuff I got to do. You know, this is gonna be like more just a how-to video, man, just so, you know, for the people who are trying to do stuff on their own and not having all the shops and all the other stuff, man. Anything that I can do on this car that I don't have to get underneath the car and do, I'm gonna try to handle it right now myself, man. I don't got, you know, time and the resources to just constantly taking it into a shop, man. So if it's anything I can come at an angle with at the top, anything like, man, I'm doing it, man. So that's what we're doing today, man. I got a couple other things, but yeah, man, like I said, man, if you got a Chrysler 300 or a MOPAR, man, you got to subscribe, man, because I'm trying to do what I can, man, to just show everything that it takes to just get a car up and running, man, as cheap as possible. So let's go. It fit perfectly. That's what she said. But anyway, man, look, it fit just like the original, man. Like this little broken piece right here, it fits. It was pretty much the exact same size, and it's kind of tugged. You know, it's not going to slip out or anything, man. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did on this side. On this side. I'm just going to make sure that, you know, everything connects and everything's the same size. If so, we're going to proceed. I'm going to lift that little hood up, man, and get to work, man. I'm going to try to show you guys as much as possible, but it's freezing outside. I'm in Las Vegas, man. I don't got like a little person to hold my camera while I do the repair. So I'm going to try to get the right angle. If not, man, you guys just comment down below, DM me, man. I got an Instagram on, the name is, I think it's Mr. 300 on YouTube. DM me, man, and I'll give you guys all the instructions. You can ask me whatever, man, whatever questions you guys have on anything that I do. I'll probably respond to that, you know, just as quick as a YouTube comment. But I got both on lock right now because there ain't a lot of y'all. But yeah, man, we're going to keep on doing, man. We're going to keep grinding. We're going to see what happens on this side. I know I'm going to work it out, man, so I'm going to show you guys. But you see this little thing broke off inside? I tried to use these. Comment down below. These pliers, a wrench. What tool is this, man? What is this called? Anyway, it wasn't like long enough. The tip wasn't long enough for me to like really pull it out with my hand. So I tried to use these pliers, if they are pliers, whatever they are. I mean, comment down below, and like try to like, you know, grab a hold on to the end and try to pull up or whatever, you know, hold one in and pull up. But as soon as this boy clamped down, I guess I pushed it in too hard, and it makes sense, man, because the plastic is brittle. Obviously, that's why it broke off. It just immediately like broke the whole thing, the tip. So now you see how this inside is like completely like open. Like there's nothing on this inside, right? This hole. But you see how this one is like broke. Hold on, let it focus. Hopefully it focus. You see how it's like broke on the inside? So I got to figure out a way how to get this piece out and be able to slip on the new nozzle just to make sure. I got to make sure, and I got to do it anyway, because this is like a little arm connector that connects to the hose to connect the old hose to the, you know, together, you know. So I got to figure out a way to get this little broken plastic piece up out of here, man. I think I'm gonna get like a precision little, you know, like a little glassware. I had one, but it was a hold on, it was a Phillips. So I'm gonna go in the house, man. I think I got one with this a flathead. So I'm gonna hopefully. The reason I don't got the juice like that is because I don't got the tools like that, man. So I'm sure there's a piece that you can use easily to get this little plastic piece outside, but as you know, I don't have it, you know, it's whatever. I'm doing something a little cheap. So I got a whole bunch of stuff that I'm gonna try to work its way out with. First thing is just a switchblade, regular knife. Hopefully this works. Hopefully I don't gotta keep on going. The next one is a regular screwdriver. I got like the little pieces that you can, you know, take off, the little tips that you can like remove or whatever. I got a regular screw. I don't know why I grabbed this, but I was like, oh, a screw might work. I got one of those little precision, like little wrenches things for your glasses. Hopefully that does not work, because that seems like it's gonna be a little tough. And I got these real small, 2 different size little screwdriver, little joints or whatever. I couldn't find the exact one that I wanted. It was the one with like the little, like the set. I got a set of these, man, but I just can't find them. So I'm gonna see, maybe this will work, I don't know, but I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna see if I can like wiggle that thing inside and try to like yank it out, or at least break it up into like more pieces and have it just slip out all the way and I could just pull it out. But I'm gonna try one way and I'll let you guys know. I got lazy after one attempt. I didn't even try everything. I just got lazy. I'm gonna just break this up, all the little stuff into little pieces. This is rubber, it's gonna go right back. I'm just breaking them up into little pieces, then I'm just gonna, you know, you can hear them actually falling out now, but I don't want them to get all over the place. So I'm gonna break the plastic up and then I'm just dump it out. I'm cheap. What happened? Sorry. I did it, man. I got everything out and I just slipped the original on, or the new one on, so I can use that. So now I'm gonna connect everything. I'm gonna show you guys where it's like disconnected under the hood and all that. So this cord right here, this little hose right here, is what connects to this. And then underneath here is like a nozzle, and then underneath, like right around here is a nozzle as well. So I'm trying to figure out a way to take the nozzle off and connect. All right, we got the first one off. You can see it's just a little hole, and this is how it came off. Comment down below, man, how I got this piece off, man. Whoever got it right, I'll make you my profile picture for a day. If you got a dope card, just send it to me and I'll make it my profile picture. But tell me how I got the first piece off, man. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, but let me know, comment down below how I actually got this piece off from the hood. Hurry up and do it too, because I want to give you guys the right answer. And I got actually a video on what I did, and I'll show you, but just to make it spice it up, man, comment down below exactly how I got this. I got the second one off. You see both, they're just holes there. Got the second one off. I'm trying not to show you what I use, so I'm trying to go slow. Let me actually just move it out the way. That's the first one, that's the second one. So now I'm gonna add these up, connect these to the holes inside the hood, and then from the top I gotta insert the new nozzle. Right, so now it's connected, everything is connected. So now I just gotta go from the top and just like insert the nozzles inside of here, insert the nozzles in like that, and then connect this bottom piece to the piece on here, on both sides though. So that's the next thing. To connect the nozzle is pretty easy. All you gotta do is grab the nozzle, find the hole, and just insert it in. It should just snap right in place. I already did the other one, so that one's good. So now I really just have to connect the hoses at the bottom to the bottom of the nozzles, and then we should be good. All right, so now it's connected. Let me see if I can get you guys an angle. Can you guys see inside of there? I don't know if you can see, but anyway, there you go. You can see it, right? It's hanging down on that side. Let me go into the other side and see. You guys probably won't be able to see this side. Can you? I don't know, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do, like I said, is just snap the little nozzle, the little hanging little, like what is it, hornet's butt, and connect it to the actual hose that was already there, and that's pretty much it. So I'm done. So we're gonna see the moment of truth, man. Hopefully I got liquid in there. Hopefully I got liquid, man. We're gonna see if it works though. Let me roll out the window so I don't get sprayed. I'm just gonna pull the lever back and I'm gonna see if the sprayers work. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can really see it. Hopefully you guys can be as excited as I am. Cause like I said, man, if this work, man, I just saved myself $292, man. I'm in Vegas, so it's about to get a little cold. Rain gonna happen like the 1 or 2 times it rains a day or a fucking year in Vegas. It's gonna happen right now, so I'm gonna try to get that going. So anyway, let's see if it worked. Oh dang, I keep doing the wrong one. All right, I gotta push it. All right, let's see. Oh, what's that green stuff? Anyway, it's working. They spraying out too nasty too. Oh, it's not really green. It's showing green on the camera. That's weird, man, but they working. They working on both sides too, full force too. I think it's working better than it was working the original, man. Like it's getting my windows all, other side windows all wet too. But anyway, man, they working. They working, man. So we good. Oh, hold on. Yeah, they not. Yeah, they work. Yeah, they work. They coming out strong too. Anyway, man, Mr. 300, man, comment down below, man. Subscribe, please subscribe to the channel, man. You got a 300, you have to. If you got a MOPAR, you should. If you like just somebody talking real, doing real stuff, man, on the budget. If you like to come up, if you like somebody that hustles, grinds, all that type of stuff, man, you gotta comment down below, man. Like this video, subscribe, share it, all that type of stuff. DM me, man, on my Instagram page, Mr. 300 on YouTube. And like I said, man, if you guys guess how I got these pieces, these broken pieces outside of the hood, man, because I didn't do it like an orthodox way, comment down below how I got these up off the hood and replaced them. If you guys get the right answer, man, I'll change my Instagram or the YouTube, man, the actual photo, I'll change it to your car. Anyway, man, comment down below, man. Hurry up, man. Subscribe down below, man. Let's get it, man.